Hey, welcome back. Today we're diving into brand positioning, but we're going to look at it a little differently. Think of it like the architecture for your entire business. Seriously, if you get this foundation right, everything else, your marketing, your sales, all of it, just clicks into place.
And let's kick things off with this quote because, wow, it just nails it. If you feel like you're shouting into the void on social media or your ads just aren't landing, the problem probably isn't that you're invisible. Nope. The real issue is that the people who do see you are confused. They just don't get what you're really about.
Now, the incredible framework we're walking through today comes directly from the work of brand strategist Chantal Gerardy. We're going to use her concepts to build a brand's architecture from the ground up, so you can see exactly how to boost your own clarity and, well, get more conversions.
So here's the game plan. We'll start with the foundation, the core identity of your brand. Then we'll move on to the strategic blueprint. After that, we'll look at the visual first impression, the exterior. Then we'll step inside to the core message. And finally, we'll see how it all adds up to make a real commercial difference.
All right, let's get into it. The very first decision you have to make, this is like the concrete foundation that everything else gets built on, is figuring out what kind of brand you are. Is it personal or is it business?
So, what's it going to be? Are you a personal brand where all the trust is built around you, your face, your story, your unique voice? Or are you building a business brand where the company itself is the real asset, built on solid systems, teams, and a structure that can scale? And look, let's be clear, one isn't better than the other, not at all. The real danger is trying to be both and ending up in some confusing middle ground. And this is exactly what happens when you're not clear. If your Instagram is full of personal, behind-the-scenes stories, but your website sounds like it was written by a corporate lawyer, people feel that disconnect. They might not be able to put their finger on it, but that little bit of misalignment just quietly chips away at their trust. This is where clarity really starts.
Okay, on to the next phase, the blueprint. Once you know who you are as a brand, you've got to define exactly where you're building. This is all about getting strategic before you even think about putting a message out into the market.
And here is such a simple but oh so powerful tool for that exact purpose, the niche clarity formula. Just look at how specific it is. You're not saying you help businesses grow. No way. You might say something like, I help first-time tech founders get their first round of seed funding using my proprietary pitch deck framework. See? That kind of specificity, that's what builds authority and makes people pay attention.
So, who is that specific group you're helping? For a minute, just forget about broad demographics like age or location. Instead, think about your absolute best clients. You know the ones. They pay on time, they sing your praises to everyone they know, and they're eager to get started. Your entire positioning should be a magnet for more of those people. Now that our foundation is poured and the blueprint is solid, it's time to work on the exterior. This is what people see in a literal split second. It's your visual identity. And yeah, perception is absolutely reality here. Long before anyone reads a single word on your site, their brain is already processing visual cues. Something as simple as a clear font hierarchy, like you see here, isn't just about making things look pretty. It's a psychological signal. It makes things easy on the brain and basically tells the user, hey, you're in a professional, trustworthy place. It shows you care. And that right there is the key. You could have the trendiest design in the world, but if it doesn't align with what your market expects, it's useless. Think about it. A high-end law firm using a playful, bubbly font. It just feels wrong, it creates doubt. Your visuals have to match what your ideal client expects to see. That alignment is what builds instant, subconscious credibility. All right, time to step inside the building. The foundation is solid, the exterior looks right, but now we have to furnish the inside with a message that actually connects with people. And I'm telling you, those generic, fluffy statements just won't cut it.
Oh man, we have all seen these, haven't we? We're passionate. We have decades of experience. We truly care about our customers. And look, those things might be 100% true, but they are completely useless for positioning your brand because guess what? Your competitors are saying the exact same thing. These phrases don't make you stand out at all.
If you want real differentiation, it comes from these 4 layers. What is your unique method or framework? Who is the specific market you're built for? What's the mechanism? How do you actually deliver results? And finally, what is the meaning, the core belief that drives everything you do? Answering these questions, that's what makes you sound different and, more importantly, credible. And here's how you can package all that up into one powerful statement.
This little formula is designed to answer the buyer's biggest unspoken question. Okay, but why should I trust you? And that last piece, the back to buy proof part, that's everything. It could be your years of experience, specific data, awards, whatever it is, that specific proof is what builds real confidence. Okay, so we've built our structure, we have a solid foundation, a clear blueprint, a visually aligned exterior, and a powerful, distinct message inside. So what? Let's talk about the real-world commercial impact of doing all this work. Here's the magic. When your positioning is crystal clear, everything else in your marketing just gets easier. It really does. You're not guessing what to say anymore. Your website copy practically writes itself. Your social media content starts to connect because it's all coming from that same solid strategic core. And this is the bottom line, the most important takeaway of all. This whole process isn't just a fun branding exercise to come up with a cool logo. No, this is a commercial strategy. It's designed to make your revenue predictable because strategic clarity is what really drives conversions, not just being loud. So, I'll just leave you with this one question to chew on. Take an honest look at your own brand. Is its architecture built with intention, designed for absolute clarity? Or have you maybe just thrown a few pieces together over time, creating a structure that's really just adding to all the noise out there? The answer to that question could change everything for you.